Inside your Mighty Network, you have a way to set up custom member support. So, what that means is that members inside of their personal settings have access to our help center. But we have a way for you to actually customize not only that text, but also that link in case you want them to contact your team directly or go to an external link. And the way to set that up is to go to your admin settings here and navigate to members. Inside of member settings, you'll see the ability to turn on member support. Turning this on will allow you to customize the display name here. So I can say contact our team. And then I can also change the support email address or also put in a link to maybe a particular website that I want them to go to. I'm going to go ahead and have them email our team. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then I'll show you what that looks like from the member point of view. Here I am inside of my member account. And if I go to my personal settings, I will see a contact our team. And if I go ahead and click that, it will open up a draft of an email to helpcenter@mightynetworks.com. So that's just one way for you to personalize your help experience for your members.